Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. It is cold and flu season in our neck of the woods, and with a family of 4 and school and work, who knows what kind of unwelcome sicknesses we'll bring home. But with this no-touch forehead thermometer from Amplim, I am prepared for all of the fevers this year. What I love most about this thermometer is the one-touch button. I can get an accurate temperature in 1 second, and with the no-contact design, I can keep myself clear of germs and still give the care to my family that they need. I also like the bright LED display that shows me the exact temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius. It goes up to 106 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will sound an alarm if the temperature is dangerously high. It's compact and lightweight, and it fits perfectly in my medicine cabinet. It has a sleek, beautiful design that fits nicely in my hand. This thermometer would be easy to take along in your purse or fit in your luggage to take on vacation. So if you're ready to take on cold and flu season like a champ this year, then I highly recommend this no-touch forehead thermometer from Amplim. And that's my point of view.